Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be on this look, which happens to be 100% cruelty free, which is amazing. And if you guys have not heard the news, COVERGIRL is now a cruelty-free makeup brand. So they do not test on animals, and they are now Leaping Bunny certified, which that little Leaping Bunny is like the gold standard in terms of cruelty-free products. COVERGIRL is the biggest makeup brand to have that certification. Thank you to COVERGIRL for sponsoring this video. I think it's a really big deal, and I wanted to celebrate it by doing a one brand cruelty-free COVERGIRL makeup tutorial. So if you guys are interested in seeing how to get this look using cruelty-free affordable makeup products, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by priming my face. I'm going to be using one of the new primers from COVERGIRL. They have 4 new primers. This is the True Blend Base Business Skin Smoothing Primer. So they have 4 new primers, all for different purposes, but I like this one the best. This one basically just smooths and blurs your skin and just makes a really nice base for makeup. So I am going to apply this. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation, and for that, I'm going to be using the True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I've talked about this multiple times. This is one of my favorite matte foundations, and that's because it's just like really comfortable to wear. A lot of matte foundations are like really tight or like dry feeling. This one I feel like kind of like moves with your skin, and it doesn't look too flat or matte. So I really like this one. It comes in a ton of shades, and it also is a nice coverage. It has like medium to full coverage. So I'm using the shade T30. And so I'm just going to apply this. It's really long wearing too, so perfect for any occasion where you need a nice matte base to last all day. So I'm just going to set my lids with some powder, and this is the COVERGIRL True Blend Pressed Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent Medium. Just so we have a nice base for our shadows. So then for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Peach Punch True Naked palette. This smells like peaches, and the colors are so pigmented, easy to work with, easy to blend. So first I'm going in with the lightest shade, and I'm putting it underneath my brow bone and like kind of all over the lid space. Next, I'm going to take the peach color and pop that into my crease. Next, I'm going in with this warm brown shade. Again, blending this into our crease. I'm also going to be doing like a little bit of a halo eye, so I'm just going to pack that on the inner and outer parts of the lid itself. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and put it in the center of my lid. Then to set that, I'm going to take that shimmery color in the palette and just pop that on the center. And that's really just gonna make your eyes pop. Then I'm just gonna go in and blend the edges. So next up I'm going to do my mascara, and this is the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Mascara. I really like this mascara. It volumizes your lashes, but also separates them really well, which I feel like is really hard to find. It has like this really cool little brush that has like these little bristles that are really close together. So I'm just going to apply that. So next I'm going to move on to brows, and I have talked about this product in the past. I use it all the time. This is the Easy Breezy Brow Micro Fine and Define Brow Pencil. That is a tongue twister, but I'm going to be using the shade Honey Brown. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with concealer. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. So this is just what I used on my eyes before, but it's a pen concealer and it provides a nice like radiant look. So I'm just going to apply a little bit. Oh my god, I cannot draw a straight line to save my life. So I'm going to go in and blend this out. And I'm kind of cleaning up the edge of my eyeshadow with this also. So I'm going to set that with the CoverGirl True Blend Pressed Powder, like I used earlier. It is in the shade Translucent Medium. So it provides just like a little bit of color, but not too much. So then I'm actually going to take the shimmery purple in the palette, and I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. Then for my face, I need to warm it up and add some dimension. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Serving Sculpt Palette. This one is in the shade Bloom Babe. And I just like these because they have everything all in one. You've got your bronzer, your blush, and your highlight. A little bit of that blush, popping it right on the apples. So we're almost done. I'm going to line my lips with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Lip Liner in the shade Plum Partner. And then for the lips, I'm going to be using the Exhibitionist lipstick in the shade Trending, which is a demi matte. These come in a few different finishes, but they're all really, really pigmented. And so this is kind of like a cool tone mauve-y color. So this is the finished cruelty-free CoverGirl makeup look. I love how it turned out. I think it's a really pretty kind of like mauve-y toned monochromatic look that is good for the holiday season. This lip I feel like is giving me like sugar plum fairy vibes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Head on over to covergirl.com/cruelty-free to learn more about all of their cruelty-free products. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.